Welcome guys. If you want to manage notifications on your MyPhone Fun 8, let's move to the settings. Then we have to click on the apps and notifications. Scroll down, tap on the notifications, and here we have the three options that we can adjust. First one is the notifications for a very application. So for example, if you get a lot of notifications from the Google Chrome, you can permanently turn it off. The second was on the lock screen, so we can hide or just show the notification content. And the last one is the default notification sound, so we can change it. And we can also add our own ringtone. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.